Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you watched the previous episodes of the Lakehouse Build series, you would have seen the excavation, forming the footings, and installing the rebar, all in preparation for today, Concrete Day. If you haven't seen those episodes, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the playlist to find them. Today is Concrete Day. I think Concrete Day is stressful. It is pretty much permanent. You have one shot at this, as once the concrete is placed and it sets up, it is permanent. We hired a pump truck and it came with two guys to work the hose and place the concrete. Moving that hose around is hard work, as not only is the hose heavy to begin with, but once it is full of concrete, it is that much heavier and harder to maneuver. These guys were pros and knew exactly how much to put in each location so that it didn't require a lot of placement after the fact. Catherine and I came in behind to level the concrete to the top of the forms, smooth it out with the trowel, and ensure the vertical rebar was plumb. With the first concrete truck empty, it was time to move on to the second truck. The concrete company we worked with was great, and they sent the second truck about 20 minutes after the first one, so it was there with perfect timing. The short delay allowed me to go back and smooth things out a little more to try and get caught up. As you can see though, it wasn't long before we were pumping concrete again. just like that, the second truck was done, and we had ordered enough concrete. That is the other stressful part of concrete day. Always second guessing the amount of concrete required and always concerned about running out. Now that the concrete has had some time to set, we are coming back and removing the 2x2s on the top of the forms to ensure we have a nice smooth surface that we can trowel flat. Catherine removes the screws and pulls them off, and I come behind with the trowel to smooth out the concrete. This is where I'm going to end this episode. Come back and check out the next one as we continue the Lakehouse Build series. Please drop a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.